Well, welcome to the wild world of recruiting, if that's you. I think the thing that's going to help you the most is, my feeling is that recruitment is actually a kind of marketing, right? If you think about it, we're not so much filling an empty role as we are selling someone on the opportunity that the organization offers. And so I would say to set yourself up for success, come at it as a marketing exercise as opposed to an HR exercise or a transaction. And you have the advantage now of having all these digital marketing platforms. So I would say take some time, maybe take some of those online courses or even a couple of courses at your college and really learn about how digital marketing works, because I think that's the future of recruitment. And so specifically, how do you do social media marketing? How do you do search engine marketing? How do you do what we call sort of nurture marketing? And those are skills that I think will be very much in demand in the recruiting world coming up, and they're not that hard to learn. And if you can take those into the workplace, I think you will find that you are very popular and in great demand.